got the hiccups and I am very angry, Mommy. Yeah. You're angry? Yes. Yes. I want to go to sleep. Yes. Yes. I am wide awake. I don't want to go to sleep. Yeah. We're going to stay up and talk. I don't want to go to sleep, Mommy. Let's stay up and talk. We're talking business here. Yeah, we're talking business. Tell me all about it. You don't want to talk anymore? You go back to sleep? Huh? Okay. You don't want to talk. Say good night, Maya. Say good night. Tell them good night, Maya.